All right, in this question, Dan and Alan started jogging at the same time along the route given. Both did not change their speed throughout. And after 35 minutes, which is here, Dan was at a halfway mark. So I indicate as D1. And then Alan was 300 meters behind, so I indicate as E1. Then then reached the endpoint 5 minutes before Alan, so another position, D2 and E2. Okay, so as we know, because this is 1 unit and this is 2 units, the separation distance double. Okay, how can we explain this to kids is using a simple model. Can you see that? Let's say I just draw D and E at the start and say in every hour, D travels 2 units and E travels 1 unit. So after 1 hour, D1 will be here and E1 will be here. And then the separation distance is 1 unit. However, in 2 hours, so within these 2 hours, D travels 2U and another 2U, will be a total of 4 units. So this is D2 after 2 hours. And for E, 1 hour, 2 hours. And so this is where E2 is at. And the separation is 2 units. So can you see that the longer the time, the greater the separation distance or the difference in the distance covered. Okay? So in fact, it's proportional. So moving on, we know that there's a story here. So we can draw a triangle, DST triangle. And here we have time 5 minutes because it's given, 300 times 2 because it doubles. So the empty space tells us that we have to solve for E speed. And once you have the speed, which is 600 divided by 5 to get you 120 meters per minute. And then next, the time for E to reach the end is 35 times 2 because midway is 35 for D1. So for the full distance covered by D, will be 35 times 2 and plus a time delay of 5 minutes, which is given. So we have a total of 75 minutes. And we have D speed, we have E's time to reach the endpoint. The distance will be speed times time, which is 9,000 meters. So takeaway for you will be to understand this first so that you can make use of this and times 2 because it's twice the distance.